So check this out, guys. Came down here to check on the camper. This is the damage that was done by that little tornado that came through here last night around Plattsmouth. We got very lucky, as you'll see in a second. There's the camper. There's the tree that fell parallel to the camper. Hey, my archery bag is still there. That's kind of crazy. Yeah, it didn't move an inch. Didn't move an inch. But look at all of this. Nutso. And this big old dead cottonwood still standing. Here's our neighbor's place. Just unbelievable. Show you what the actual cabin looks like. Look what it did to their poor cabin. Lots of bonfires this summer, kids. Wow. They were just here. They said if you look in the windows, you can see that a tree got sent in right underneath the air conditioner over on the side. Oh yeah. See it there in the bottom? Just speared the side. I don't know if you can see that. No, that doesn't help. Just speared right through the side there. Walk through this maze. Did not spear myself. Oh, here's the air conditioner. That's the tree that went in right through the side there. Unbelievable. Look at that one. Right through the back there. Oh, my word. These are not little trees. This loss was pretty significant. Got a hurdle over this one. Crazy. Lots of work. Lots of work.